Hello, Jim Tech Balls. Something nice today, and it's Skullcandy, and this one collaborating with Burton. So we've got the mod and push active earbuds. Check out. And you've also got a pair of these glasses. And that's what they look like there. So we've got some Skullcandy branded glasses to match, which is really nice. So we'll leave them sat in the background. Okay, so this is what you're going to get if you decide to pick them up. Limited edition, remember. So that's what the boxes look like all around. They've got the same theme. And it's a bit hard to see the writing on the side of the box there, but you can see it. But we're going to call it out to you anyway. So we're going to start with the big box. This is what it looks like on the back, on the side, and on the bottom. And that's pretty much it there. Now, I do remember doing these before, and they are a super pair of earbuds and really, really good. And again, same with these, but I think these were my favourite back at the time when these actually came out. They've got Skull IQ Smart feature technology and pretty cool. So let's start with these then. Sure, why not? We will take off the packaging and show you what these are going to look like in the flesh. Okie dokie, so we've got the Skullcandy app, which again, we've reviewed these in full before, and very impressed with these headphones when they come out when they did come out. And again, you've got access to the app, which is pretty cool, and this will show you what they do. But we'll probably go over them again and just give you a refresher later on if you want. No problem, just to see how they are. There's a nice colour, cool colour case. So you've got your headset guide. You've got your extra tips. And of course, we have got our cable, which has the Skullcandy branding. And again, you can see they've changed from the metal to this plastic one, which I like. And USB-C. So let's open up these ones and see what they look like in the flesh, as they say. And out you get. So it's a nice matte finish, and you can see Burton and Skullcandy logo on it there, and that's kind of raised. Really nice finish on them there. We'll just bring them up a little bit closer so you can see. You've got your port in here for charging, which is USB-C, and that's pretty much what the case looks like. It's got a matte finish all around, but really like the colour of this and the feel of it as well. It feels really nice, and it's kind of grippy as well, so that's not a bad thing. We opened them up. You can see you've got your LEDs up front, and inside here you can see it's kind of a lilac-y colour, and these are really cool. This is what they're going to look like here. So you can see these are kind of transparent. And you've got our pull tabs there, which we'll take out for saving our battery in transport. And again, you've got that nice finish here. And you can see the shape of the earbud there. And you've got your buttons here. Nice and clicky. And this one has a Skullcandy logo here, and you can see there's an LED light on the side there as well. And you can see a kind of a purpley piece coming out from the inside. And you can see there's a light there too. And of course, your mics. So that's what they're going to look like there from the back. You can see your connection points there. So I'm just going to pop them back in. And you can see that the lights come on there like so. And that's what they're going to look like there. So that's something with the LED lamp on and the case closes over like that. And the magnet seems to be fairly strong as well. You can see left and right on the case as well. And that's pretty much it, what they look like. Pretty cool indeed. And really nice. And these are great for those who are into their fitness and training, because they're not going to fall off your ears at all. They're really solid. And again, I did mention that Skull IQ Smart feature technology. So these got around 44 hours of battery life, and you've got rapid charge as well. IP55 sweat rated, and you've got your access to the Skullcandy app, and of course you've got your tile built in as well, should you happen to lose them, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty much it on those, and what the case and all looks like there. So that's them done. Moving on, we will have a look at the next pair. Just going to take them out of the way. And the Burton Mod True White. Okay, so again you've got the app here, and you can see all that stuff there. Again, we've covered these before, and we're going to have a look at them now. I'm nearly sure I did these before, but in the standard version, but we'll check that out. So a little bit different in here. You've got your little extra tips in there loose. Again, you've got your cable here like so, and that's pretty much it. We're going to take out the main part of the equation here. Right, where is the tear? Okie dokie. Looks like we're going to have to go beast mode. So again, you've got nice vibrant colours, so you can see here from the side, both of them up front there. Yeah, we did do these before. I actually did them in this green colour here. And yes, again, the same kind of lilac inside, like so. And you can see just by looking at the sides there, they're kind of matching. One is kind of clean and one has got the pattern on it there. And again, we've got these little tabs on, so we want to take them out there, have a look. And that's what they look like there. Clicky buttons, as you can hear. Look really cool. And that's pretty much it. You've got your connection points there, and you can see them down there. Your mics and all that, top and bottom, your Skullcandy logo. And the two different kind of teams. You've got the clean team for Skullcandy, and you've got the pattern team for Burton. So that's pretty much it, what they look like. And these fit really well in the ears too, and I remember doing these before, and they're actually in this green colour. And really cool. And look really well. So that's what it looks like inside the case. And you can see our connection points down there. And that's pretty much it. So you've got a light down here on the bottom. And your USB-C port. Again, it's kind of a matte finish. Nice and grippy here too, up on top again to match this here. And they look really nice. They do stand out from your typical plain case review. Plain cases. And both have got this kind of green finish on them here. And the Skullcandy logo is raised on that as well. So you've got your IP55 on these as well. Your tile technology built in. Bluetooth 5.2. About 34 hours of battery. And you've got fast charging. Cross access to the app. Your stay aware mode. And you've got multi-point pairing as well. So that's a quick first look at unboxing of the latest from Skullcandy, teamed with Burton for their latest collaboration. So if you want to see a full review, let us know. We have reviewed these before, but in our standard format, but we'll probably have a look at them anyway. But if you have any questions or anything you want to know, feel free to ask, and stay tuned for more on techbuzzworld.com. We'll see you in the next video.